Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Samar Singhania, going to talk about two products in the same video today that has never happened before in my channel. First one is non-contact infrared thermometer and second one is wireless Bluetooth headphones. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Very first, this headphone. So let me tell you something about this headphone. The packaging and the box of this headphone was completely damaged. I received from the Flipkart, so sorry to say, and so I am not able to show that box to you, and you will not able to understand any kind of information that is completely damaged. I already said. So what about this? Let's look around the headphones. These are the cushions and they are soft, but it's not an premium look, premium quality. It's an average or budget quality. So don't hope so much. These are the buttons of the headphones: call, play, reverse, forward, power button, a micro USB port for charging the headphone, and aux cable input, or its battery capacity that not much good, but it can go long for more than 4 hours. This is the mic, this is the indicator of charging, and you can call also from this. And this is the folding headphones. Like this, you can put this in your bag or anything else, so this will not takes more space. And the base is nice. I'm not going to say that is great, but it's nice. So this is the first product, and there is not a brand. It's just such a like Bluetooth stereo dynamic headphones, SH12 L or left right. So that's all. Now head towards the next product. That is going to be very interesting because and important also, because nowadays the COVID-19 is spreading, and this is the non-contact infrared body thermometer. I've ordered these both of the products from the Flipkart. The link is in description. If you also want to buy, you can go now, and I suggest you and recommend also to buy this one also. Anyone come at home, scan their body temperature, measure their body temperature. It's very necessary. Even those people are your relatives or anyone, that will protect you from infection and warn you before. So that's a nice product. Nice, no, not nice. It's a great and very useful product for every family, for everyone, not especially in the hospitals, clinics, and anywhere you can buy this. Let's look around the box now. Enough talking. Non-contact infrared body thermometer. It's a branded thermometer. Head current branding. Intelligent color, alarm, fever warning. It has alarm also, and 3 colors you will find. If the green color appears, that means the temperature is normal, and yellow color slight fever, red color is little high fever. At this side you will find some pictures and the IP22 rating. It means that it has some level of water resistant and patent product. And this side same look, multifunction. I have used this from some days and I'm not facing any issue. And this side also some same information. Now let's open the box. This is the way we will open the box. So this is the look of our thermometer. Let's take it out, this plastic, and below you will find user manual and the certificate. Okay, good. A box packaging is also solid and very good, and you will find 2 batteries also there, and these are installed here. Let me put out these are the batteries, AAA size batteries, and you must let me show you how to start this. You have to let's look around the device. IP22 FC and this is the look. This is the only color I think will give. This is the sensor. This is the 1-inch screen that and the lamination is also provided. Let me start the device like this. It will start like this, and you have to long press the switch, then it will turn on or off or measure the temperature. And these are the modes: set, memo mode. You can view previous recordings or previous records of from this thermometer also, that you have recorded or measured the temperature of other people's. So these were the device. These were the device. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for the latest updates. Okay, bye guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it useful. If you want to buy this product from the Flipkart, the link is in description. You can go for it. I will see you in the next video guys. Till then, stay tuned.